Hey beauties, Andrea. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I wrap my hair at night after I straighten my hair. So yes, I have naturally curly hair. So once I straighten it, I'll show you guys how I wrap it to get this the next morning every day. My hair has been straightened for 2 weeks now. The time I put a flat iron to my hair was 2 weeks ago. And this is usually how I wake up in the morning. And that's because of the method that I use to wrap my hair at night. Alright, so this is straight at the top all the way down to my neck, and it's curly or wavy. To me this is wavy, but to some of you, curly at the bottom. Alright, if you are a lazy person like me who doesn't want to do that whole wraparound style to go to bed, or who just doesn't care much about having pin straight hair the next day, then you're like me. Okay, this is something that you are interested in, keep watching. So this is what I do at night. I get a white tooth comb and I comb all my hair to the back of my head, all the way through. Okay, straight to the back. That keeps the hair at the head right here completely straight. Okay, I'm gonna try to be in the middle of my head, like right here. Right, I'm gonna twist it, twist all the hair away from my head all the way down. Okay, as I'm going down, you see there's still more to twist. I'm going to make a little bun right at the bottom of my head right here. Okay, so I'm going to keep twisting and keep rolling. Okay, just like so. Make sure you're not folding the tip of your hair, the very ends. Make sure it does go all around. Before you use a satin scrunch, put it right on top of it. Just like so. Okay, right at the bottom. You can use anything that usually mainly focus on the front edges to keep it down, but I'm going to use this, which this happened to be my husband's, but he can't find it because I stole it a while ago. And I'm going to tie that over here so the hair stays inside. Go around and give one knot in the front, and like I'm tying my shoes. Then lastly, you can use a pocket bonnet. I'm going to use this one. Find this at Walmart if you don't mind your bonnets to last for only a month. I'm only talking about this specific bonnet, you guys. There are gray bonnets at Walmart, but just not this one. Okay, that's it, and I go to bed. So in the morning, this is what we get. I literally just take out my wrap and my bonnet, and that is it. This is what this whole thing is about. This is what this whole video is about, this whole twist, all right, which gives you the curls. And I usually separate the curls with my fingers, and this is what you get. Yes, of course, you can always separate it a little bit more, but this is just to show you guys how it comes out before separating it even more. That is it. That is how I wrap my hair at night. So simple. You usually don't think about that because you think, hey, any curve would just ruin my straight hair. If you don't mind this, I do recommend this to be the way to go. Bye guys. Mwah. Ooh. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and since that's not enough, don't forget to click the bell so you'll get notified of my videos. Thank you guys.